Hey guys, it's Kyle with the Whissel Realty team, and we are here at one of our hottest new listings. Want to bring it to you first. Let's go inside and check it out. For more information on this amazing home, give me a call, Kyle Whissel, at 858-699-3895. Thanks so much for watching. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share more tips with you about selling your home in San Diego. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.